Hey friends, if you encounter the error your system requires SMB2 or higher, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So one resolution is through Windows features and the other one is the same thing but through PowerShell. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on Turn Windows features on or off. Let it load. Now expand this list here which reads SMB 1.01. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and allow it a while and it will turn it on, and once it does you will have to restart your computer. The next one is through PowerShell. So I have a command here, I will share it in the description section of the video. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and then hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.